Welcome back, my home cooks and chefs, to the Urban Culture Kitchen. Yep. We got something good on the menu again. We got some sesame seed wings. If you're new to my channel, don't forget to subscribe. If you are not new, welcome back. We got something special. We got some sesame seed wings. I'm about to get into the ingredients with this sesame seed chicken wings. It's really good, simple. You know what I'm saying? Have about a pound of chicken wings. You know, some tempura batter, some all-purpose seasoning salt, about a tablespoon of butter. You know what I'm saying? 1 tablespoon of butter. Definitely you gotta have sesame seed. And we got teriyaki sauce. So I put it in little cuppies and stuff like that. So it's teriyaki sauce. So we're gonna get into frying them and everything like that, and finish up this wings. They're real simple and easy. You can follow along with the ingredients and instructions, stuff like that. But this is only just to dip it in to have a good crisp on it and stuff like that. We're not gonna season it. Well, we are gonna season it. We'll just season it to taste. You know, you don't have to if you don't want to, but we're gonna get into that next, and that'll be all as far as with this recipe. So let's get into frying. So let me season up these chicken wings right here. So you don't have to put a lot of seasoning in it. Like I said, it's salt to taste and stuff like that. You know, just toss them around. You know, add a little black pepper, you know, to it. Yep, add a little black pepper. That's about it. Toss it. Alrighty. The reason why I use this tempura batter right here is because it helps kind of crisp up the wings, dry them out too at the same time. So you have to put a lot on them, but it's really good batter to get. If you have a local Asian store in the area, they normally have tempura batter and stuff like that. You know, we use these in different ways, so you know it helps dry it out. You know, like I said, and it crisp it up real good. So when you're frying it, you know you get a good coat on it and stuff like that. You don't want too much batter, you know, on your wings. You see how it's kind of drying up a little bit, and that's all it really is. You know. To it. Alright, you guys. Well, don't be dropping your stuff in here to be burning yourself. But we're about to put these wings in here. Don't fill it up. Spread them out. You know, and crisping up and everything like that. As the wings get done, take them out. Get a paper towel, put them in a pan or a plate or whatever, a bowl, and make sure it soaks up the oil. You don't want to have no oily chicken wings. Make sure they dry, and we're going to get into the next piece. We're going to do this sauce, and we're going to put over the sesame wings. Just add about a stick of, I keep saying stick. Add about a tablespoon of butter. Let it melt down and stuff like that. You know, put your temperature on about 275 degrees in your pan, so that's basically on medium and stuff like that. Just get it around and stuff. And this is the sauce that you're going to put on it. You can use teriyaki sauce, you can use eel sauce, or whatever sauce that you would like on there to make your sesame wings. I normally use teriyaki sauce, you know what I'm saying, teriyaki sauce. And just add in your you know, so teriyaki sauce. You don't need that much, depending on how much you're making and stuff like that. You know, just stir it around, incorporate the butter with the sauce. You know what I'm saying? It's pretty much just warming it up. You know what I'm saying? You don't want to put no cold sauce on there with just incorporating the butter. And pretty much it's done. You know, that's it. And what we're gonna do is put it directly over, you know, our chicken wings. So, you know what I'm saying? Here we go. Just put it around. Normally you just do it around the sides and stuff like that, or whatever. Just make sure you just put all the sauce all on there and everything. You know, and just toss it around. Really, this is really simple. See, just toss it. You know, really, you know, make sure it's, you know, fully coated and everything like that. You know, and that's it. All right. And then just add in, sprinkle over some sesame and everything like that to your wings. All right, so find a plate, place it on, stuff like that. And all you gotta do is add the sesame on, sesame seed. And pretty much that's it, you guys. You know, and voila. You know, that's sesame chicken wings. Really simple, easy, crowd pleaser. You know what I'm saying? Good appetizer to shock, you know what I'm saying, your guest when they're coming over. You know, they're gonna be like, oh, where you get that from? You know, you know, good talking point. But thank you for stopping by, Chocolate Grilling with your boy KC. Anytime you'd like to enter into my, you know what I'm saying, Urban Culture Kitchen, come on through. Subscribe to my channel, and you know what I'm saying, I will definitely have weekly dishes up for you guys. So come on in and join the family and everything like that, and I will teach you how to make these wonderful dishes.